Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notification sounds while using Discord on your browser, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable all notification sounds on Discord web, following the latest update. This is perfect if you want to focus on work, study, or just enjoy some peace and quiet while staying connected with your communities. Let's get started. First, open Discord in your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you like. Once you're on the Discord homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Once you're inside the user settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications on the left sidebar. Click on Notifications to open up all your notification preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the Sounds section. Here, Discord lists all the different sounds it uses for notifications, like message pings, call alerts, and more. But with the new update, there's a much easier way to turn everything off at once. Right under the Sounds heading, you'll see an option called Disable All Notification Sounds. Simply click to enable this setting. Once it's switched on, Discord will mute all notification sounds, so you won't hear any pings, rings, or alerts while you're using Discord in your browser. That's it. You've successfully silenced all notification sounds on Discord web. This change takes effect immediately, so you can enjoy a distraction-free experience right away. If you ever want to turn the sounds back on, just follow these steps again and toggle the setting off. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you next time.